Imagine a steaming bowl of hearty chicken tortilla soup, packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. This easy-to-make recipe yields 8 servings and can be prepared in just 40 minutes, making it an ideal choice for busy weeknights or casual gatherings. The star ingredients of this soup include tender shredded chicken, a rich broth made with chicken stock and half, and a variety of beans and corn for added texture. The soup is further enhanced with the warmth of cumin and fajita seasoning, giving it a delightful Southwestern flair. To begin, melt butter in a large pot and sauté minced garlic and chopped onion until softened. This aromatic base sets the stage for the rich flavors to come. Next, add flour to create a roux, which will help thicken the soup. Pour in the chicken broth in half, stirring to combine. Now it's time to add the remaining ingredients. Stir in cream of chicken soup and salsa for depth of flavor, followed by the shredded chicken, black beans, kidney beans, and corn. The combination of cumin and fajita seasoning brings all these elements together, creating a harmonious and satisfying soup. Allow the soup to simmer gently for about 15 minutes, letting the flavors meld and develop. As it cooks, your kitchen will be filled with an irresistible aroma that's sure to make mouths water. When ready to serve, crumble tortilla chips into individual bowls and ladle the hot soup over them. The contrast of the crispy chips and the creamy soup creates a delightful texture. Top each serving with a generous sprinkle of grated Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar cheese, which will melt slightly from the heat of the soup. Finally, add a dollop of cool sour cream to balance the warm, spicy flavors. This chicken tortilla soup is a complete meal in a bowl, offering a perfect balance of protein, vegetables, and comforting warmth. It's an excellent choice for feeding a crowd or for enjoying leftovers throughout the week. With its rich flavors and satisfying ingredients, this soup is sure to become a favorite in your recipe collection.